Welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll help you to unjam your sliding door. The tools you'll need will be a vacuum cleaner with thin nozzle attachment, flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, some silicone spray, a damp cloth, a paper clip, and a wooden block or coaster. First of all, vacuum out any obvious stones or fur balls from between the tracking plate. Now, grab your flathead screwdriver to dig out scum and grime and use the vacuum as you go. Prop up the door and pop your block underneath. Now use a paper clip and run it up the front of the tracking plate to push out any debris that may be caught. Now take the Phillips head screwdriver and place it in the hole furthest to the bottom of the door, where there is a screw for adjusting the height of the door's tracking wheels on either side. You may need to use a drill for adjustments if you're finding it hard to adjust with a screwdriver alone. Use the damp cloth to clean out the rest of the dust and grime from between the tracking plate. Once you're done, then use silicone spray between the tracking plate to give your doors some extra lubrication and glide. Eventually the door's tracking wheel may wear out and need replacing, but until then, I hope you've found these tips useful. Thank you for visiting Purchase Reviews. If you liked this video, give a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe for future videos, that'd be much appreciated. Until next time, have a nice day.